when we begin talking about this subject, and I mentioned UFOs earlier, maybe you're asking, how does that fit when we get into, things such as angelology, if you will, understanding angels themselves? If you remember when I discussed Ephesians 2:2, it says that Satan is the prince and the power of the air. Now, that word air, yes, we translate it A-I-R, the things that we breathe, that's in the sky. But in the Greek, it's A-E-R. And what that's denoting is really, in their thinking of the cosmology of the world, is you had earth, air, and then heaven. So earth was the lower spot. Air is everything between earth and heaven. And then you had heaven where God himself is. That's kind of the Greek mentality that we're thinking here. Air is referring mostly to the lower atmosphere, and you could probably make an argument in a modern concept of including the atmosphere and the solar system itself. That all is part of creation that was made in days 2 and 4. And we know all of creation was made for man. I covered this previously. And you're probably thinking, Nathan, why are you going into so much detail about this? Because I want to maybe make a point here that applies. Because he is the prince and power of the air, that means he has dominion over the sky and space that is in there. And it is a very Greek and then very Jewish thinking also happened later on, that this word that is being used is that the realm of the air is the place that demons and evil spirits inhabit.